right? Sound check. Okay. We'll finish this, right? This one. What is this? The product of 53 and 102 is equal to a number times 6. Product, what does product mean? Pewalay? Kun. So if you have the product of 53 and 102, pewa? Hasip Sam Kun Roy Song. Is equal to Tao Kap. Number times 6, pewa? Number times 6. This is X kun hok pen. Hok X. So if you're gonna rewrite this into an equation, that would be 53 times 102 is equal to 6x. We also finished this, right? Seleo. Chiming up. Yang. Okay. So again, the topic is about translating statements into linear equation. That is the last topic that we studied last week. So if we have this one, 6 less than twice a number is 4. How do we write it into an equation? Again, 6 pewa? Oh, great. Less than pen? Log. Twice a number? Twice a number. Twice pewa? Kun song ใช่ไหมครับ If the number is x, 2 kun x เป็น 2 x. But then, remember everyone, less than เป็นลบเทสลับใช่ไหมครับ So we have here is แปลว่าเท่ากับ 4. So 6 less than twice a number x is 4. The answer would be 2x minus 6 is equal to 4. Next. We finished this as well, right? Twice. Twice, แปลว่าไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่ twice a number. Twice. Last week I gave you the vocabulary. What does twice means? Twice แปลว่าคูณ2ใช่ไหมครับคูณ2 2คูณอะไรครับ difference. Difference is the quantity ใช่ไหมครับมีใช่ไหมครับ Hey, we studied this last week. ลบอะไรครับ The difference of y and 3. นี่ไง The difference of y and 3 is แปลว่าเท่าครับเท่ากับอะไร14. So if we have twice the difference of y and 3 is 14, that would be 2 times the quantity y minus 3 is equal to 14. How should I remove that one? Never mind. Never mind. How about this one? 3 more than the quotient of a and 5 is 12. 3 แปลว่า3. More than buwak. Remember, more than is like less than. You're gonna switch. But since it's addition, you don't actually need to. But let's just follow it. More than plus. Shimmy up. Quotient, แปลว่าหารอะไรครับbut we're gonna write it into เศษส่วนใช่ไหมครับหารอะไรครับ a and 5. Oh my bad. Okay, sorry, that's my bad. I forgot to mute my phone. Sorry. Anyway, the quotient of A and 5 is แปลว่าอะไรต่อครับ 12. So again, 3 more than the quotient of A and 5 is 12. This will be our answer. Now, remember everyone, this is the correct one. But remember, addition, buwak sa lapday. ใช่ไหมครับ? Addition is commutative. Therefore, this is acceptable. But ลบไม่ได้ ใช่ไหมครับ? สลับไม่ได้ Because you're going to have a different value if it's minus. But if it's plus, this thing is acceptable. I would accept it. How about this? Anyone? The difference of 100 and x is 57. Apud ba sa tayo gaday ka? I will accept. Anyone? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Uh-huh. Yes, please. Okay, very good. Nung royal of X, tao kap, hasip jet. Very good. Oh, hasip jet, may jet sip ha. Can't beat, my bad. Uh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Ani jet sip ha. Okay, mai? Okay, mai? Okay, mai? Okay. Again, difference, pewa? Lob. Right? Lob alay? 100 logo x. So that would be 100 minus x is equal to 75. Okay, not 57. How about this one? 24 is the same as the quotient of W and 3. 24. You're going to write 24. Who has answer? Tama like up. Who can give me an answer? Put pa sa tayo gaday kap. 24 tao kap. Tao kap alay. W Swan Sam. Very good. Okay, tukon. Everyone, is the same as. Pewa? Tao kap. Quotient. Pewa? Han. But again, we're gonna use set one. ใช่ไหมครับ Hanอะไรครับ W แล้วก็ 3. W and 3. That's why the answer is this. Oh. How about this one? What does 5/8 means? Remember, when we studied decimal, we have studied tenths. ใช่ไหมครับ tenths, hundreds. ใช่ไหมครับ tenths แปลว่าอะไรครับ1/10 ใช่ไหมครับ tenths. Now, same thing here. The number ends with THS, meaning this is a fraction. 5/8 แปลว่า has one pet. Very good. Okay. Again, if the number ends with THS, remember it will always be a fraction. You understand? Howjay? Okay. 5/8 added to a number is 4. Tapalay kap? What's the answer? 5/8 added to. Added to pa ba? Buwak. Buwak. Buwak alay? X. Added to a number is pa ba? Tao kap. So we have here 5/8 plus x is equal to 4. Next. Hey, later you're gonna answer. Okay. Negative 3/4 of a number minus 16 is 8. Oh, try writing your answer on your notebook. Try it. Can't talk. What do you think is the answer? Write your answer. Try it. Negative 3/4 of a number minus 16 is 8. Same thing here. 3 3/4 แปลว่า3 ส่วน 4 but negative เป็นลบใช่ไหมครับ Okay, who can tell me the answer? Who wants to try? It's okay to. What's your answer? Uh, eh, what's the answer? Negative 3/4 of a number. Of a number. Anyone? Plus 1 point. Anyone? Yes, please. Mm, okay, I'll accept ก็ได้ Okay. Negative เลขที่อะไรครับ 21. Okay. Negative แปลว่าลบ 3/4 3 over never mind 4 ทุกคน of a number of แปลว่าอะไรครับคูณใช่ไหมครับคูณอะไร x so ลบ3 ส่วน 4คูณ x เป็น x ก็ได้ minus แปลว่า16 is 8 okay you understand again you do it word by word again word by word okay now everyone answer this in your notebook I'll give you 5 minutes. Hey, I'll get the score. Okay? 5 minutes to do it. You don't need to copy. You don't need to copy. You just write the answer. I just said no need to copy. Yes. Where's your notebook? You don't have? Very good. Maleo. Buy another notebook. Only 5 minutes, okay? Just answer. No need to copy. 3 minutes, everyone. 3 minutes. You have the vocabulary, right? You need to know this because later we're gonna solve. Not finished? Who are not finished? Yang may set. How many more minutes? Kaday, later, afternoon, you stay in the office. Everyone, if you don't see any letter, you just write letter X, okay, for number. Just samahan. Only equation. Samahan yung dilaw, ha? You don't need to answer. Okay, I think finish. Showing up. Yang. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, everyone. Exchange notebooks. Salap sa mood ka. Okay. Salap kap. Okay, everyone, please read the equation. Please read the statement. An kap. 9 is okay. We have 9. Okay, less than. Tukan, less than แปลว่าลบ so again 9 less than ลบเทสลับก่อนใช่ไหมครับ less than อะไรครับ the number what is the number b เขาใช่ไหม s equal to แปลว่าเท่าครับ okay that would be your answer okay next okay a number y increased by 10 is the same as 46 okay so we have the variable y now everyone increased by แปลว่า increased by แปลว่าบวกบวกอะไรครับ increased by 10 is the same as what does is the same as เท่าครับเท่าครับอะไรครับ46 46 oh, it's just hard to write so I'll just gonna put the answer on okay you got it next the difference แปลว่าอะไรครับลบ okay again difference แปลว่าลบลบอะไรครับ 2 times a number ลบ 3 over 4 now 2 times a number แปลว่า2x อันนี้ number is x ใช่ไหมครับ2คูณ x เป็น 2x แล้วก็อะไรครับ and what is it and 3 over 4 is what does is means is แปลว่าเท่าครับ okay is 1 over 2 of a number everyone of แปลว่าคูณใช่ไหมครับ1/2คูณอะไรครับ number x okay so this will be your answer again when we talk about the word of it's in your vocabulary of แปลว่าคูณใช่ไหมครับ1/2คูณ x เป็นอะไรครับ1/2 x okay next now 89 added to 4 times a number okay 89 แปลว่า okay, okay so just gonna write 89 added to แปลว่าบวกบวกอะไรครับบวกอะไร 4 times a number แปลว่า cx is equal to okay is equal to แปลว่าเท่าครับ เท่ากับอะไรครับ is equal to the difference difference แปลว่าลบลบอะไรครับ c แล้วก็ seven times a number 7 times a number แปลว่า 7x okay and that would be your answer 89 plus 4x is equal to 4 minus 7x next next the product แปลว่าคูณคูณอะไรครับอันนี้คูณก่อนก็ได้โอเคอันนี้เป็นคูณก็ได้ I cannot write it anymore let me just erase it ah everyone this is salap tayo okay it petsip ka buwak cxก็ได้ cx บวก petsip kaอะไรครับ since addition is commutative next the product แปลว่าคูณคูณอะไรครับคูณอะไร 8 times a number 8 times a number แปลว่า 8x and and อะไรแล้วก็ 6 is the same as เอ้ยลบอะไร is the same as แปลว่าเท่าครับเท่ากับอะไรครับ quotient quotient แปลว่า hey everyone quotient แปลว่าหารหารอะไรครับ 12 times a number แล้วก็ 5 12 times a number and 5 that would be your answer 8x times 6 is equal to 12x over 5 who got 5 points 5 คะแนน5 คะแนน very good 4 that's good 3 not bad 2 that's bad 1 1 0 I'll get the score later okay เข้าใจไหมครับ hey you understand ไม่เข้าใจ we go home okay again you just need to do it word per word since you know what the vocabularies are you just need to do it word per word just like what we did here okay okay now why do we need to study this because we are going to solve never mind you don't need to copy it again everyone 2 minus x is song log x ใช่ไหมครับ 2 less than x is x log song because again less than means you're going to oh where is it this is 2 less than x okay now there's another word that I want you to remember 4 subtracted from y again the word is subtracted from subtract แปลว่า subtract แปลว่า look at your vocabulary subtract แปลว่าอันนี้ไง subtract แปลว่าลบใช่ไหมครับ but the word is from subtracted from is the same as less than you are going to switch Okay? 4 up. Wait. 4 subtracted from y. Okay? You're going to switch this thing again. Because we know that subtract means lop, chiming up. Okay? Let's have this. 5 subtracted from a number, the result is 19. What is the number? Now, since there is another question, we are not just going to write it into equation. We're going to answer the question, okay? We're going to answer what is the number. But before we know what the number is, you want to sing here? We need to write it into equation first. 5, pewa? Ha. Why it isn't working anymore? Okay. Subtracted from. Penalay kap? Lop. Check up. But again, subtracted from is the same as less than. You're going to subtract it onto the other side. A number. Number is letter x. So 5 subtracted from a number is x minus 5. The result is, pewa? The result is result. Penalay. Tao kap. Tao kap alay kap? 19. Sipkaw. Now everyone, the we know that number is letter X. Chiming up. The question is, what is the number? So we need to solve for the value of X. Now remember, if minus 5 is put onto the other side, panalang up, this will become plus. Okay? And what is 19 plus 5? 24. Therefore, the number is 24. This is the answer. Ani top cup. Understand? There is a question now that we need to answer. Unlike earlier, we just translate the sentence into equation. Now we need to answer the given problem. Again, everyone, if minus will be put onto the other side, that will become plus. Okay? Next. Who can tell me the answer? 6 times a number is 84. What is the number? 6 times a number is 84. What is the number? I try it on your notebook. Who can tell me? I'll give plus 1 point. You already have number 21, right? Easy bit. Up, up. File. Send. Check. Ah, meet up. Yes. Apa, gada. Gada. Mm. Eh. Yes. Very good. The number is 14. Lekti. Lekti. Number 17. Okay. Okay, everyone. 6 times the number, pewa? 6x. Is, pewa? Tao ka. 84, pewa? Petsipsi. Now, the question is, if the number is x, what is the number? What is x? So we're gonna solve. Ani tatatay. Sabi nga, So x is equal to 84 over 6. And what is 84 over 6? 14. The question is, what is the number? The number is 14. This will be your answer. Again, why is 6 times the number is 6x? Ay, may 6 คูณ x. ใช่ไหมครับ Times แปลว่าคูณ. That's why we have here 6x. Anyway, next. The sum of a number and 13 is 32. Find the number. The sum of a number and 13 is 32. Find the number. Who can give me plus 1 point? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Anyone? Yes. Uh. Huh? 19. It's 19. Correct. Like the 11. 11, 17, 21. Okay. Everyone, sum แปลว่าบวกบวกอะไรครับ A number is letter X and บวกอะไร X แล้วก็ 13 13 is เท่าครับ32 32 Now remember plus 13 if we put plus 13 over there เป็นอะไรครับ But it will become minus 13. And what is 32 minus 13? That's 19. The number is 19. Okay? Okay, one more. We still have 7 minutes. I need plus 1 again. A number is multiplied by 5 and then divided by 6. The answer is 15. What is the number? Plus 1 point. Anyone? If you want plus 1 point, you raise your hand. Hey, yes. Again? Huh? And very good. Lekti. Number 13. 11, 13, 17, and 21. Up top. 18. 18. ทำไม Okay. Number is letter X ใช่ไหมครับ multiply multiply แปลว่าอะไรครับคูณอะไรครับ5เป็น x คูณ5เป็นอะไรครับ5x ใช่ไหมครับ again multiply by 5เป็นคูณอันนี้เป็น x คูณ5เป็นอะไรครับ5x and then divided by แปลว่าหารอะไรครับ6 The answer is เท่าครับ15อ่ะมีส่วน6เป็นอะไรคูณ6ใช่ไหมครับแล้วก็นี่ again if we don't need this um denominator just gonna multiply everything by the denominator so you're gonna have 5x is equal to 15 times 6เอาตัวก่อน15คูณ6เป็นอะไร90 so you have 5x is equal to 90 but then again we only want x so we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x which is 5 อันนี้ตัดได้ 90 divide 5 that is 18 therefore the number is 18 oh we still have 4 minutes again sip ed sip some sip jet tip ed ใช่ไหมครับ okay one last problem last problem อันนี้ยากกว่า I think 8 is subtracted from a number and then divided by 4 the result is 6 find the number next week sop okay yes sop yes you don't have a choice if you say no I'll still say yes Alaiwa. Anyone plus 1 point yes yes huh very good Lekti si Pet the answer is 32 32ทำไมทุกคน8 we know that's 8ใช่ไหมครับ subtracted from แปลว่า subtracted from แปลว่าลบแต่สลับใช่ไหมครับ a number x then divided by หันอะไรครับ 4 the result is เท่าครับ 6 find the number everyone there's over 4 to remove over 4 we're gonna multiply by 4แล้วก็นี่ตัดได้ใช่ไหมครับมีอะไรครับ x ลบ8เท่าครับ24 because 6 times 4 is equal to 24 now we don't need this minus 8 to remove minus 8 put it onto the other side that will become 24 plus 8 and what is 24 plus 8 that is 32 the number is 32 okay เข้าใจไม่ you need to understand okay everyone next week we're gonna have test sub starting from the start okay หมดเลย make sure you understand this okay practice this at home stand up goodbye people there bye bye